Unraveling, blame for, a guide to understanding accountability in English. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the depths of the English language and make sense of its complexities. Today, we're going to unravel the layers behind the phrases blame for and blamed for. Understanding these phrases is crucial for both speaking and writing in English, as they deal with the concept of responsibility and accountability. So, let's get started and demystify these expressions for you. When we use the phrase blame for, we are talking about assigning responsibility for a wrong or a mistake to someone or something. It's about pointing the finger at the cause of a problem or a negative outcome. The structure is typically blame someone for something. For instance, the manager blamed the employee for the loss of the client. People often blame the government for economic issues. In both examples, the person or entity being blamed is responsible for the negative event or situation. Using blame for correctly involves understanding its grammatical structure. It's important to know who is being blamed and for what. The formula is subject plus verb, blame, plus object, person, thing being blamed, plus preposition, for, plus noun, gerund, the mistake or problem. Examples: parents sometimes blame video games for their children's lack of focus in school. She blamed the wet roads for the accident. Remember, the noun or gerund after for is the reason or cause of the blame. The phrase can be modified to fit different contexts, such as past tense or passive voice. Here's how you can transform it. Past tense, she blamed him for the failure last year. Passive voice, he was blamed for the project's delay. Additionally, you can use nouns or pronouns interchangeably with blame for. The blame for the financial crisis was placed on the banks. When learning blame for, it's easy to mix up the preposition or use an incorrect grammatical structure. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't use blame on when you mean blame for. Make sure the object of blame is a person or entity that can take responsibility. Remember to follow for with a noun or gerund, not a direct verb. Incorrect. He blamed for the rain. Correct. He blamed the weather forecast for the ruined picnic. Understanding the phrase blame for is key to expressing accountability in English. It allows you to discuss who is responsible for what and why. We hope this video has clarified how to use this phrase correctly and has enhanced your English communication skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep practicing and exploring. Until next time, happy learning!